Welcome to another business strategy transformation video. Today I want to talk to you about Lafley and Martin's 5-step strategy model. In 2013, so it's relatively recent, Lafley and Martin published their 5-step strategy model in their book Playing to Win. Now, the 5 questions they set out help you to clarify your company's strategy so that you can position yourself in the best possible way in your market. Now, the 5 questions are, and we're going to go through these in detail: winning aspiration. So what is our winning aspiration? Where will we play? So that's all about the selection of customers and markets. How will we win? Which is about trying to define your USP and your differentiating strategy so that you can compete successfully against your competition. The capabilities needed, which is all about execution. How do we execute on this strategy that we've identified? And then management systems required, because if you don't actually have the resources inside your organization to deliver this strategy, then obviously it's not going to be successful. So we're going to go through these in a little bit more detail, one at a time. And the first question we're going to look at is, what is our winning aspiration? This is asking you to focus on the goal of your business. Where do you want to be in 5 years' time? You need to address this objectively, but at the same time, bring your vision and ambition to formulating your goal. You should be able to explain this very succinctly to your audience, whether they are employees, shareholders, or customers. Be realistic, but aim high. By clearly thinking through this goal, you are going to force yourself to be constrained and directed by it in the future sections of this model. Where will we play? This question is asking you to define and identify the markets you want to operate in and the potential customers you want to sell to. You will need to decide whether you are going to be selling direct to your customers or whether you need to develop channels to your target market through intermediaries. How will we win? What strategies are you going to develop to ensure that your product and service is differentiated from your competition? Every business has competitors, and when you understand how they operate and differentiate, then you can devise more effective competitive strategies to outsell them. And no, that is not easy. Just remember the problem you are solving and what your customers want. Devise your strategies to deliver that. Whether you differentiate on price or quality or customer service, find a way to make your customers want to buy from you and not your competitors. You can use SWOT analysis to help you understand the strengths and weaknesses of your business and to evaluate your opportunities and the threats facing you. What capabilities must we have in place to win? Now you are being asked to look at execution. This will require skills, staff, and infrastructure to ensure that you can compete successfully in your chosen markets and provide your products and services to your target customers. Without these, you cannot achieve your goal. What management systems are required to support our choices? You will need the right skills in your management team to implement your strategic choices. This means everything from finance to HR, procurement to sales and marketing, and of course, CEO leadership skills. If you follow this sequence and use it as a template for debate, you will be able to use this framework to develop your strategic positioning and competitive USP. Model summary. Martin emphasizes that in order to use the framework effectively, you need to evaluate your strategic choices simultaneously and not sequentially. Each step loops back to the one before it, so that your discussion continually evolves. This helps to prevent you going down an uncompetitive cul-de-sac or getting stuck at the "how will we win" stage. In particular, you need to make sure that you consider where to play in conjunction with how will we win. If you cannot work out a winning strategy in your chosen market, you have chosen the wrong market and need to reevaluate where to play. Can you identify what Martin calls matched pairs of where and how, which you can then compare against each other and against your winning aspiration? So there you have it, Lafley and Martin's 5-step strategy model. If you found that interesting, that's terrific. Subscribe to my channels wherever you happen to be watching this. If you've got any questions about this or anything else to do with business strategy and transformation or entrepreneurship, then reach out to me, john@jbdcolley.com, and I'd love to be able to help you. And thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon in another one of my business videos.